With NFT marketplaces seeing billions of dollars in transaction volume every single day, and big-name companies like Visa purchasing an NFT, it's evident that non-fungible tokens made their mark in 2021 and are going to continue to do that for the foreseeable future. Now, judging by the continued popularity growth of NFTs in 2022, there's no better time than now to learn NFT development. The crucial part of this includes the process of creating an NFT mining website. While this process might sound a bit intimidating, believe us, it isn't. In fact, with the right tools and proper guidance, you can learn how to launch an NFT mining page easily without having any coding background. After watching this video, you'll be able to create your own minting website in record time. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we are going to talk about the easiest possible way out there for you to learn how to create an NFT minting marketplace like OpenSea and Proton Mint. So if you're someone who likes to stay updated about the current cryptocurrency matters, along with the fun updates about the NFT universe, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we? So you might have watched a lot of videos on this topic, but for all we know, they are all trying to create a contract by code. However, we are not going to do that. We are just going to use a tool that's essentially going to make the process a lot more simpler, and you'll be able to launch your NFT project in no time. The first step is to go to your search engine, whichever one you like. We are using Google Chrome. You then have to copy the link in the description down below and just paste it in the search box, as simple as that. The link is going to take you to a login page, and obviously if you're a beginner, doing this for the first time, you won't have an account. So you'll have to create an account first. To do that, just click on Create Account and fill in the required information. Once you're done with that, you're going to log into your account. You're now logged into your account where you want to get started with creating a smart contract by clicking on Create Contract. The important thing to note here is the fact that you didn't have to use any code. You just have to fill out the boxes. How cool and simple is that? So, first you're going to set a name for your collection. Let's just use Sleepy Surfers for an example. The next step is to add symbols for your collection. Just be creative with this and pick what you think is best. Now you have to enter the price per NFT minted and the total number of NFTs. For beginner, 0.05 ETH sounds good. The next step is to select your preferred blockchain. You have a bunch of different options such as Ethereum and Polygon. Honestly, deploying on Ethereum is the best choice of all. You're then going to click on Create a Contract, as easy as that. You have successfully created the contract. You can click on the contract you just created to get an overview of the contract. After making sure everything looks good, all you have to do is deploy the contract on the blockchain and connect your image to the contract. Just click on Connect Your Images and you'll be able to easily connect the desired images. Now, you just have to either use the IPFS node form, the website, or you can host your own images. It's important to note that using the IPFS from the website is easier and less time consuming. So just click on Next and buy the IPFS node for an amount of $19.99 a month. It's really not that much. Just follow the steps and add your credit card number and other such details to proceed. Once you have paid, you should be able to upload images to IPFS. Drag and drop your images, upload metadata, and confirm. For that, you're going to have to download an IPFS companion to be able to read the IPFS link. Now you should be able to copy the IPFS and paste it into your search box. After you're done with that, you're all set to deploy your smart contract to the blockchain to accept public mints. You're now going to log into your MetaMask and click on Deploy to Blockchain. It might take a few seconds, so be patient. Once you're done with that, you'll then have to pay a gas fee. The gas fee essentially depends on the blockchain you have selected. Just hit confirm and pay the gas fee. Now, you'll be able to see that your contract is ready. You can see the details of the contract, such as the NFT sold, price per NFT, collection size, and more. Besides these details, you have the Action tab where you can open a public sale and open pre-sale. In addition to that, you can see a whitelist so you can just copy your address in there and airdrop things. So, in case you want to open a public sale, you can just click Open Public Sale. Pretty simple. Then you have to go into your MetaMask again and hit confirm. For demonstration purposes, we are going to do that. pay the gas fees, and hit the confirm button. You will not have to wait for a few seconds for the process to complete. You will then receive a notification saying that the transaction was successful. So, now that you go to the details, you will be able to see that you have the public sale enabled. This essentially means that everybody can actually mint your NFT now. All in all, you're done with the contract and it's now time to build the actual website. For that, you can see the embed option right next to the action tab in case you already have a website. If not, then you can always create your own mint site using the same website. Just go to the top of the page where you can see the website tab. Click on it and it'll allow you to create your first no-code minting website. Just click on the Create Minting Website. You will then have to fill in the form and configure your smart contract. For starters, you will be asked to set a name for your website. Once again, be creative with it. Then just copy and paste the link to your smart contract and hit Create. You have successfully created a website as well. Just go ahead and edit it. Once you do that, you will have a custom template ready for you where you can add pictures and text as you like. Now you can just click the pen icon on the top and add a title and some description for your project. Then you're obviously going to have to add a logo image. You're free to use any of your NFT here as well. Some other details include background color and font color. You're free to change them or keep them the way they are. Moving on to the most important part, the header says button, where you're going to have to fill in text and link. This is basically where people can click to mint the NFT. After you're done with that, honestly, you're free to edit your website however you like. Customize it, make it look pretty. Once you are done, just click on Toggle Mint to activate it as a minting button and you're done. Just save it as a draft while it's still a work in progress. You're now going to go to the Settings button on the top and get a custom domain here by adding a domain and just publish it to the selected domain. Your page has now been published so you can go ahead and view it live. This is how easy it is to create an NFT minting website. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your NFT concerns and questions. So, when are you going to make your own NFT minting website? Tell us in the comments section down below. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit that bell icon, and see you in the next video.